How to upscale images in Higgsfield's AI, Higgsfield AI. So what you'll have to do is make sure you sign into your Higgsfield AI, and from there go ahead to the image section, and then after you scroll down, you'll be able to locate image upscale enhance your image quality. So simply press there. So here you can see you'll have to upload a media in order to upscale your image. So upload your image as a video to enhance their resolution and quality. You can simply upload the media. So let's go with this picture. So you'll simply press on open. So it will take some time to upload because it will take the eligibility, and then you can simply see upscale section. So here you can select the model, the topaz or the topaz generative, which is premium feature, and you can also scale the factor up to the 16x from 1x. So you can also view the advanced settings that could be like standard, the default model for general purpose. Also, you can select the sharpness and denoise the photo as well. So you can also enhance the photo by simply pressing on the photo enhancement. Here you can manually select the creativity and strength of the photo. So you'll simply upscale after you've selected all these. You'll simply press on upscale, and as long as you have a business plan, then you'll be able to simply upscale the photo. So that's it for the video. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.